Hello, children. It's your favorite teacher here again, Mrs. Okpeoluwa. Good day. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. All right. So today we'll be looking at word problems on addition. Word problems on addition. You can see the sign, that sign of the word addition that looks like what? Cross. All right. Previously, we treated addition. So let's quickly recap our mind of what we treated. Addition is to count giving numbers together. Yes, you're counting together, you're not taking away. So when you count together, it might be a small number, it might be a big number. So when you're adding, you're counting together. What's related to addition? We have add, count together itself, sum, increase, more, etc. Word problems. Word problems, word problems. Word problems are math problems that tell us stories. Yes, what kind of stories are we talking about? They tell us mathematical stories. Yes, let's look at the rules to follow when solving problems on addition. Read through the sentence carefully. Understand the information given in the sentence. And then you identify what the sentence has you to do. What are you reading through? Yes, every problem has a solution. So for you to know the way out, you have to read through, you have to understand it, and then you have to identify what you have to do. Let's look at some examples. Emma had 10 pencils. His mom gave him 12 more. How many pencils does he have in all? Don't forget the rules. Rule number 1 says read through. Then you have to understand it. So who are we talking about? We're talking about Emma. He has 10 pencils. Mom gave him more. Wow. How many pencils does he have now? So what to do? That means that we are to add both pencils together to know the total number of pencils that Emma now has. So if you look at my solution, 10 pencils plus 12 pencils, you have 22 pencils. Lucky Emma. Example 2. Mrs. Okpeoluwa has 300 cars. Wow. Her husband gave her 20 more. Nice of him. How many cars does she have altogether? Mrs. Okpeoluwa has 300 cars. Note those things, 300 cars. Her husband gave her more. Not that her husband removed out of her car, but she added more to it. So what do? You had 300 cars plus 20 cars, you have 320 cars. What is the sum of 15, 20, and 25? Sometimes it might not be story, sometimes it might just be a sentence, just like this. So you have 15, 20, 25. So you had just the way you've been adding the other ones. The last example. In a basket, there are 4 white balls, 6 brown balls, and 7 green balls. How many balls are there altogether? In a basket, there are 4 white balls, 6 brown balls, and 7 green balls. How many balls are there altogether? 4 white balls, 6 brown balls, 7 green balls. So what are we talking about? The story is about balls. But the question there is, how many balls are there altogether? Are we to pick in colors or what to do? We are to add all the balls together. Count the balls together, irrespective of their colors. We're not looking at their colors, but we want to know the total number of the balls in the basket. So I decided to use strokes. I know you can do it often, but I am using strokes. Using strokes to count the figures together, I have for the first ball, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I've counted for the white balls. For the brown balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the green balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, there we have. There are 17 balls in the basket. There are 17 balls in the basket. Now, here is the evaluation. We want to see if you have gotten the concept very well. So you have your evaluation. Read with me. Bono and Bam had 210 storybooks each. How many books do they have altogether? Don't forget your rules. If you follow the rules, you would get the answers right. A house has 10 cars in it. Another house has 69 cars. What is the total number of cars in both houses? If there are 38 green apples and 16 red apples in a bag, find the total number of apples in that bag. 4. Find the sum of 3 scores. I'm sure you have not forgotten your scores. Yes. 5. Increase your gross by 1 dozen. I wish you best of luck. Bye, children. Mrs. Ekpeoluwa cares. See you next time.